hurricane season. Here we are. We're walking down the hill to another town. Hopefully this is the big boy that we had with Cody. We got here early, got him gobbling. We're heading down the trail. I got the gun this time. Roland's also got a gun in case if there's two. Stay tuned, we'll see if we can get them in. Hoo, 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 hoo! Right back there. Here we go. Got the decoy set up. We're gonna work. Try to find a tree right here. He's still gobbling on the roost. Stay tuned.
He's down.
Yeah, he's down.
Hmm?
Where that tree is down on that hill,
Yeah.
there's an opening just to the left. You can kind of see it's not light enough yet, but that's where you'll see him first.
Freaking coming.
Yeah, he's coming. I think he's coming. You gotta be kidding me.
That was nuts. Oh, wow.
5:30.
Wow. Is that the big rope?
I don't know. I was hoping it was.
Wow. Hey, you know what? I'm hearing another one to the right. I think
We better get going. Woo!
Take a look at the camera. You're right on there. Wow. That was dead. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh!
Oh, look at that! Can't stop the claw, baby. All tagged up.
That was easy.
Oh man!
Wow.
All right, folks, here we are. Another turkey down. BBD for the Mossy Hill Outdoors boys. Today was the first day I got to get behind the gun finally.
It's late into May. We've had a, let's say, a tougher season as far as killing birds. We've had tons of birds in front of a lot of people. We've shot a fair amount, but my son has been really struggling, so I've been trying to really get him on film, and so it's finally the chance now for me, after Noah shooting his bird on Friday, to get out. And Roland and I got out this morning early and went to an area where we know there's a lot of big birds, a lot of birds in general, and we said we got to get up there, we got to get there early, and we got up this morning, got there in the dark, and the old owl hoot, and boom, we got the first gobble of the morning, and it was this guy. So we hustled down the hill, got set up, made a couple calls to him, and we set the decoy up kind of behind us. That way he'd have to work past us with the angle that we had on the road there, and he come down off the hill pretty fast, man. We only had to make 2 or 3 calls, and he was booking it right in, and you can see in the footage of the hunt there that he was really moving, and he kind of was gonna maybe make a turn and go up the hill, and we made one quick call. He turned, he looked, he must have locked onto that decoy, and there he was. He was strutting right down to us right in front, and here it is. I laid the smack down on one, busting his beak up, and it's a nice bird, real nice bird. 9 3/4 inch beard. One spur was just a shy over an inch, and the other one's an inch. Real nice tom. It's just a great hunt to have here. First day, my first hunt of the season behind the gun, and we nailed one right away at 5:29, man. Just crazy, right away early in the morning. What a great hunt to have. We've had a pretty darn good season. We're having a lot of fun. We got Roland still, and maybe some other hunters we'll try to get behind the camera too if we have time, and we're gonna keep trying to have fun. This is what we're here, family, the outdoors, the love, the passion. It's just, man, I can't ever get enough of it. It's just the adrenaline rush of seeing these beautiful animals come into you and working them and trying to play their game of Mother Nature with them is just, it's something else. So it's just, we love bringing you the footage. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll have some more videos. Like and subscribe to the channel. And for now, adios. Mossy Hill Outdoors signing off on another great big tom. See ya, folks.